Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy, introducing the top 5 large capacity air fryers of 2024, each offering ample space for cooking generous batches of food in one go. These air fryers boast expansive baskets or trays, perfect for feeding large families or hosting gatherings without the need for multiple cooking rounds. With versatile features and efficient performance, they redefine convenience in modern kitchen appliances. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. With its generous 10-quart capacity and 6 versatile cooking programs, this dual basket air fryer proves to be a versatile kitchen companion, ideal for households looking to cook low-fat meals with ease. During testing, its consistent temperature control across both cooking zones ensured even cooking results, making it suitable for everyday cooking, roasting, and broiling tasks. While lacking a preheat function, its Match Cook feature offers convenience for simultaneous cooking, making it a recommended choice for households of 2 to 4 people seeking efficient meal preparation. 4. This air fryer toaster oven is a game changer for large families, boasting an impressive 19-quart capacity that accommodates everything from pizzas to whole chickens. Its versatility shines with 10 cooking functions, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen appliances and streamlining your cooking experience. While its non-backlit display may pose a slight challenge for those with vision impairments, its generously sized font compensates for this limitation. Despite its robust cooking power, which may require some adjustment in cooking times once mastered, it delivers speedy and delicious results, making it a standout addition to any kitchen arsenal. 3. This dual basket air fryer offers unmatched convenience, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously with its innovative smart finish feature that synchronizes cooking times, even with varying temperatures and methods. Its versatility shines through in our tests, consistently producing well-cooked, crispy results for a variety of dishes. Despite its compact basket size, the user-friendly design, including convenient handles and easy-to-use controls, makes it a top choice for efficient and delicious meal preparation. 2. This air fryer stands out with its impressive design, earning top marks from our testers for its spacious basket and comfortable handle. The intuitive digital controls enhance user experience, ensuring easy operation. Beyond its sleek design, the air fryer incorporates innovative fat removal technology for healthier cooking. While it offers 5 functions, it lacks additional special features, and cleaning might require extra effort due to the non-stick crisper plate. Nonetheless, its efficiency and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for healthier, hassle-free cooking. 1. This Instant Pot air fryer emerges as the top choice, balancing stellar performance with affordability, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Its user-friendly design, complemented by a straightforward display, ensures effortless operation, while its quiet operation adds to the cooking experience. With 7 versatile functions including rotisserie cooking, this appliance offers a plethora of recipe options to explore. While its cooking tray design may require a bit of adjustment, the non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup, minimizing hassle. Overall, the Instant Pot air fryer excels in performance, convenience, and value, making it a standout addition to any kitchen.